welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to Mitul's house, that's my fiance, and we are planning to shoot some content. Now the thing is, I was supposed to reach there by 4, but it's 4:35 already, and I'm like 10 minutes away from his place right now. So yeah, I'm like always late, and he's like very annoyed about that right now. So let's see how much we can film. We were planning to film at least 3 videos. Maybe I'll stay back over tomorrow and like shoot the rest. Also today, we are going partying, clubbing kind of. So me, Lakshmi, Nikhil, Mitul, Riddhi and all, we are like just going out and eating good food, and also I'll vlog that as well. So it's gonna be a fun vlog, hopefully. Let's see. And yeah, so I'll see you guys when I reach Mitul's house now. आधे घंटे से बाहर खड़ी हूँ, दरवाजा ही नहीं खोल रही है. खोल. Hello.
Full copyright T-series music. T-series.
Hey, don't ruin my. I will not shoot today then.
Why are you making vlog?
It's my content.
How is it? I didn't sign for this.
You are getting married for the film.
Guys, ये देखो, holy shit, what a gift you got. Okay.
So guys, Mitul got me a gift and I'm gonna unbox that. Gift because it's New Year's and उसने मेरे को birthday पे भी कुछ नहीं दिया था. Don't run.
Huh?
Don't run. Stay here.
Busy.
No, stay here. Good. So I'm gonna unbox that. Also, I kind of know already what it is, so it's okay.
That Baltic.
2 rupees. So the box is here, and I already know what it is. But still, I'm gonna keep it a surprise. Actually, तुम लोग को title and thumbnail से शायद पता चल गया होगा. So never mind. I'm just gonna unbox it.
मेरा डायलॉग कभी आ रहा है?
You can talk whenever you want.
ठीक. Hey guys, मैंने आज तक फैशन वाले में बात नहीं की.
It's not fashion. Firstly, it's lifestyle.
वही.
Yeah. So this is. Oh, this is the extra one. Okay.
That is the 30 mm.
Wait.
जो पहला खोला हो तो दिखा.
No, बाद में. Okay, so मैंने जब खोला है वो बाद में.
चल ओपन सीधा.
No, don't.
कार्डबोर्ड को रखने का तेरे को. अगर मेरा पैर छिला तो. उसने ऑलरेडी सीजर मेरे पैर पे गिराया था.
Now you remove it. Oh yeah! So he got me the Dyson Airwrap for a gift, and I this was like in my wish list since 6-7 months now, and I wasn't sure because obviously it's kind of expensive, so मैंने सोचा कि मैं थोड़ा सेव करके फिर ले लूँगी. फिर एंगेजमेंट हो गया, शादी हो रही है, so now my income is going somewhere.
सब बोल दे.
They know शादी हो रही है. So let's go ahead and see what's inside this now.
No help.
Whoa, this feels so fancy.
Full makeup kit ना?
It's not makeup kit, okay? So यहाँ पे I'm not sure if you can see Dyson लिखा हुआ है. Full nice leather traveling के लिए मस्त kit है. But मैं travel नहीं करने वाली इसके साथ. Can you not? I'm vlogging here.
Okay.
I'm obviously not gonna travel with this. ये magnetic.
Magnetic.
Let's go ahead and open this now. It's so heavy, but oof. Oh, thin. So this is just to show you how to use it and all. I'm gonna use it later. You may see a vlog, different vlog, or maybe in this vlog only in there. आज तो use नहीं करूँगी मैं. अभी मत.
So many brush.
Yeah. So यहाँ पे the main styler is here. I got it in, by the way, pink color. Obviously, there's also red one, which I'm not a fan of, so I got this in pink. इस पे attachments होंगे. So we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 attachments. And एक extra उसके उनके website से लिया मैंने इसने. मैंने देखा था उनके website पे if you purchase from them, you get an extra barrel. So I got this one. We'll talk about that later. First we have this, the normal round one. Also, just in case if you're wondering, the body is not plastic, it's proper metal. So इसको सिर्फ attach करना है. Now let me figure out how to do that. हो गया. And then you can lock, unlock and all.
गिर जाएगा वो, हो गया. वाह.
गिर रहा है?
पता नहीं, नीचे साइड करना, अपसाइड डाउन.
Lock है. इसको अनलॉक करने के लिए यहाँ से there's a button to unlock also, so you can change it. So that is brush 1. This is brush 2. इसमें से हवा निकलेगी, like there's like I don't know, like space there for the air to come. So this is, I think there's a soft brush and a hard brush. Now I don't know which one is what. दोनों ही वैसे तो hard लग रहे हैं मेरे को. This is the other brush. Has pink tip. So I think I'm gonna mostly use this one only to get rid of frizz and all, and to style my bangs I'm gonna use this one. And then we have the barrels. This is for curling the hair. वो दोनों थे वो straight करने के लिए थे. This is for curls. So for this side of, like, if you want your curls to go this side, you can use this one. So दोनों में like there are 4 barrels. This is 40 mm. So like you can see arrows है इस पे. So like अगर curls ये side करने हैं तो ये side वाला use करो, ये side करना है तो ये वैसा है इसमें. With 30 mm इसमें tighter curls होंगे. So that is there. Also मेरे को पता नहीं क्यों लगा ये sponge होगा, but ये sponge नहीं है. It's like proper plastic something, and this is metal. And then this is the hair dryer thingy. So इसमें से हवा निकलती है. Let's go ahead and try this one out.
There is sugar also.
Sugar? It's not sugar. Oh God.
I know it's not sugar.
There's something here also. I
Cheese.
think that must be the. Hello. खाने का ही सोच रहे हैं क्या तुझे?
It looks yellow.
Wait, we'll see. There's a lot of things, but let me go ahead and attach this. I want to see how strong this is. हो गया ना attach. So इसमें settings है, cool, hot, and how much level of. What did you do?
यहाँ से open नहीं हो रहा. It's just gum.
Useless.
Let me read now.
अरे it's the manual रे बाबा, how to use it.
But I don't know how to use it. I'll read now.
ये ऐसे हाँ उसका plug I wanna see that because I heard a lot about the plug being super hard to use, but ये normally लग रहा है, like ये तो हर एक के घर पे होता है यार. Wire काफी लंबा है guys. So एक रूम में लगाओ, दूसरे रूम में चलेगा मेरे. यहाँ से legit हवा. You can see, right? बहुत ठंडी हवा है.
लेकिन मेरे को मालूम कैसे पड़ रहा ठंडी हवा है, ऊपर एसी है, मत कर.
Ooh, I like this. I have attached this one. Let's go ahead and see if I can style this properly. I'm so afraid right now.
अगर अटक गया तो गया.
तू ऐसे डरा मत मेरे को. मैंने कोल्ड एयर से किया है ये. कोल्ड एयर से नहीं होगा आई थिंक. हुआ कुछ तो हुआ. नहीं और स्टाइल करना पड़ेगा मेरे को. ये वॉल्यूम के लिए अच्छा है एक्चुअली. सो लाइक लेट्स से ये साइड एंड ये साइड ठीक है. इफ आई वांट टू पुट वॉल्यूम हियर and put it on थोड़ा hot setting. अटक गया. मैंने बाल नॉट बराबर नहीं. गरम हो गया मेरा बाल.
मैं इसलिए यहाँ पे कर रहा हूँ मालूम ना. मैंने वो सब वीडियोस देखे हैं जहाँ पे ये सब सर में डालते हैं और
नहीं, I'm sure you guys can see थोड़ा difference maybe. अभी मैंने बराबर से किया नहीं है. I need to do it properly. एक तो ये बाजू में है मेरे. But yeah, so basically it's for that. Curls try करते हैं.
इसको ये क्लीन तो
कर लूंगी ना बाद में. That's my hair only.
So with your hair only you're putting inside now.
It's one hair. How does it make the difference? One hair के लिए इतना सारा.
But this is a pretty and clean.
बस.
Good.
Curls, I think ये better है गीले बालों में. But I'll still try. For first time. एक सेकंड मेरे को wrap करना है क्या इसको? नहीं ना.
मैं यहाँ पे स्विच बंद करने के लिए रेडी हूँ. अगर तेरा बाल अटका
नहीं इसमें नहीं अटकेगा.
मैंने वीडियोस देखे.
ओए ये उल्टा है. सॉरी. ये घूम क्यों नहीं रहा? उफ.
घूम रहा है कि नहीं घूम रहा?
ये घूम नहीं रहा है. घूम कैसे नहीं रहा है? I have to figure out how to use it first. इसमें से ओ नो हो रहा था.
कुछ तो हुआ.
नीचे से तो हुआ है.
लेकिन वो
बट ये गीले बालों में guys, I'll next time what I'll do is probably I'll just make my hair wet and then use this.
You read the book first.
हाँ, I'll do that. Okay. So हाँ ये the hair dryer था and this is the long barrel 30 mm का extra one which we got for free because we purchased from their website. Now this is no way sponsored, okay? Just in case if Dyson
Sponsored
you're
by me.
watching, please help your girl out with future products. Thank you. I'm gonna perfectly use this later on. अभी pack कर लेते वापस before anyone shouts.
Who will shout? Just
You.
Huh?
Oh, you're putting it like this. So you put the wire here.
take.
ठीक है. Then you put this. Wire comes from the hole.
बराबर.
Then you put this.
और extra wire?
अंदर डालना. Wait.
You do that first, no extra wire वाला.
हाँ मेरे को नहीं पता था इतना ज़्यादा एक्स्ट्रा होगा. Okay, पहले इसको डालते हैं. ठीक है. Then you put this on top. Okay. Then close. Bye.
So guys, जब भी झगड़ा होएगा, you know what to do. Buy gifts.
कब झगड़ा हुआ? We don't fight, guys. Okay, guys. So now we are planning to shoot the spicy noodle challenge.
Spicy noodle क्या तेरे इसमें जा रहा है?
मेरे इसमें नहीं जा रहा है बाबा. Look at him fighting for content. मत कर, मेरा बॉक्स टूट गया. निकाल इसको.
कैसे निकालूं?
My box.
You hold that.
It's not.
Hold.
There's no grip. There's no grip. Pat.
पैट नहीं, ये फोड़. अरे बधिर, it's stuck. अरे wait. छोड़. कितना easily it went.
So now we are planning to shoot the spicy noodle challenge that will go on his third channel.
Excuse me, second channel ना?
Second is your shot. हाँ तो मितुल नायक वाले चैनल पे जाने वाला ही है. इसने मेरे साथ इसके लिए शादी करने का शादी करने का सोचा हुआ है कि उसकी अलग चैनल होगी और वहाँ पे सारे challenges and like maybe daily vlogs after शादी or something. Let's see. So उसके चैनल वो चैनल पे आएगा. Please make sure you subscribe. Do any cons?
डरा के भी बोल सब्सक्राइब करना चाकू के साथ. Guys, subscribe करो.
Okay guys, so we just got done shooting the spicy noodle challenge and उसके बाद मैं आमरस खा रही हूँ and ये just walking कर रहा है because that was way too much.
Adjust कर रहा हूँ मैं.
बहुत बड़ा पैकेट था compared to Maggi. Spicy था नहीं जितना we imagined, so it was easy to eat. But you should watch the full video if you haven't already. अब मैं आमरस खाऊंगी and we are just waiting for our friends to come so that we can go out. Because we are going out for dinner, like I mentioned. Hello guys, Nikki's here, Riddhi is here. Riddhi, say hi. अंधेरा यार दिख नहीं रहा है किसी को. रुक जा. अब हुआ. Riddhi is here, Nikki is here, and Lakshmi is driving, and boys are in the other car. We are all going out finally. Okay, so we are now. Sorry for the camera quality. My iPhone घर पे ही भूल गई. So now we are going to a place finally after how many months, Lakshmi?
1 year.
Yeah, it's like a lounge, and we are
Udit's
gonna.
birthday.
We are so excited to dance. Actually, hopefully there's like a good dance floor. Let's see. Flop हुआ ना लक्ष्मी मेरे को जो मारने वाली है. It was Nikhil. Okay, not me.
No, I trust Nikhil.
Yeah, so हो जाएगा guys. कोई problem नहीं. Let's go. Excited. Let's party.